Welcome to Kay's Kitchen Tales. Today I'm going to take you through making a delicious homemade pizza dough. Grab your mixing bowl and add 1 packet of active dry yeast, then 1 tablespoon of brown or granulated sugar, and you'll follow with 1 1/3 cups of warm water. We're going to whisk this together either with a whisk or a fork, and then cover and allow to rest for 5 minutes. This is how your yeast mixture should look after 5 minutes. It shows that the yeasts are very active. So we'll add 2 tablespoons of oil, olive oil preferably, and we'll follow with 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and then we'll add 3 1/2 cups of unbleached all-purpose flour. And let's start to combine. Alright, so here I am quickly putting everything together. When my dough feels like it's coming together, I'm now going to grab for some flour and flour my surface and continue to knead my dough. Knead the dough until when you push a finger in the dough, you see that dough springing right back at you. You see it? Alright. This indicates that the dough is ready to rise. So you'll grab the same mixing bowl you were using earlier and lightly grease it in oil. Once you're done, put your dough back in that mixing bowl and evenly coat it in that oil by turning it on all sides. Once this is done, you'll grab a sheet of aluminum foil, plastic wrap, or a clean kitchen towel, cover and let your dough rise for 1 to 1.5 hours. While your dough is rising, grab your baking sheet or pizza pan and lightly grease it with oil or non-stick spray. After that, I grab some cornmeal and I sprinkle it lightly on the pan, and this adds a nice flavor to your dough. So definitely try it. As you can see, my dough is ready, and now you're going to punch down the dough to release the air bubbles. Once you do that, ensure your surface is lightly floured. Take the dough out, divide it in 2. As you know, it makes 2 pizzas. And now we're going to start to flatten our dough. Ensure your rolling pin is lightly floured and your hands as well as you go ahead and shape your dough. Now I am taking my dough and I'm placing it on the pan I prepared, and I'm using my fingers to spread the dough out evenly on the pan. After that, I actually lift the edge of the dough, and that gives me a nice crust for that pizza. As you can see, the edges are lifted. Now I'm going to go ahead and cover my dough while I prepare my pizza toppings. Also preheat your oven to 475 degrees Fahrenheit. For my pizza toppings, I used a mixture of mozzarella cheese with sharp cheddar cheese, mushrooms, frankfurters, yellow bell peppers, seasoned peppers, and tomatoes. Now we're going to take some oil and we're going to coat the top of our dough. This actually helps to prevent the crust from getting soggy. It's very helpful. And what I'm doing now is actually using my fingers to create dents in the dough, and that prevents the dough from bubbling during the process. And here I go making my pizza. After about 15 to 20 minutes of being in the oven, my pizza is finally ready. And here I am coating it with a garlic parmesan sauce that I made. Yummy. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any queries or comments, feel free. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Also follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support, and I'm looking forward to bringing you more Kay's Kitchen Tales.